welcome to my channel at wanderlust_Ria. If you don't know me, my name is SuRia and I am here to share my travel journal with you. This video is about Inverness and Loch Ness. But before we brief you, we would like to inform you that when we were traveling from Edinburgh to Inverness, and it was a road trip. Inverness is approximately 5 to 5.5 hours by road, but we had to make a stop in between. There was a road accident and then we found ourselves a place where we could just take a rest, and this is what we did. Inverness is the cultural capital of Scottish Highlands, and it is also famous for River Ness. So what we did in Inverness, we went and visited Inverness Castle, and then we moved on to visit Inverness Cathedral. Both of these were built around 19th century and they are that old. It is a small village and a beautiful place to visit. The rest of the day we strolled around the city and enjoyed the luxuries. So have a look at them. So next we headed to Battlefield of Culloden. The battle took place on 16th of April 1746. So the battle was between two parties, the Duke of Cumberland, which was representing the British end, while the other was the Jacobite, led by Charles Edward. Now Charles Edward was trying to restore his father's legacy, who once happened to be the ruler of Northern Ireland, Scottish and England altogether. So why this is important? It is because the last battle fought on the British soil, with about 1,500 people dead and slaughtered within an hour, and also the Jacobites lost massively. Next place we visited was Loch Ness, and it was about 37 kilometers long, and it's a freshwater lake, and it is more famous because of the mystical creature Nessie, or the sea monster. Let's have a look. Thank you for watching this video. I am hoping to bring out few more videos. So if you like this video, kindly like and subscribe, and also if you want to comment or give any feedback, you can use the comment section below. See you. Bye.